So Memorial Day weekend starting off wet out there. I'm sure you've noticed. So I want to put the positive forward before we get into the nitty gritty of what's going on. Of course, Saturday isn't positive. It's 58 degrees for the high. Look at Memorial Day, upper 70s and sunshine. Hold on to that because everything between now and getting there isn't terribly pleasant, although Sunday's got its finer points. This is what it looks like out at Keeneland. We are overcast and we are wet. The track is sloppy. We've had rounds of showers. Heavy rain producers, even all the way out in Letcher County, they're starting to see showers developing. We're way out in eastern Kentucky. And it's starting to register as far as the past 24 hours go. You're seeing anywhere between a few tenths of an inch, quarter of an inch of rain. Look at Mount Sterling, serious soaker out there, up to an inch of rain. And the Max Track, as we pop the data on, you'll be able to see some of the heavier rain out around Masterson Station and running up towards Georgetown, and as well, heavy rain running out into eastern Fayette County, and that continues. We've got these showers, these embedded thunder showers at times, tracking off into eastern Kentucky as we take you way out there towards Owingsville, Mount Sterling just to the north of you guys, and these are all drifting off to the east-northeast. So showers are on the move. The big map in motion will give you that idea of where they're headed. They're coming in ahead of this cold front that'll push in this afternoon. So these are going to push in this more widespread rainfall, and then we should see additional scattered development later on this afternoon. Look at that, winter weather up around northern Wisconsin, just a hint of it. They've had severe storms across the deep south. And yeah, there is that severe potential today. They've got a slight risk across Texas. And you notice this marginal risk that just runs right along pretty much where that cold front is going to be pushing east today. Not a huge severe threat, but we could have some storms that produce some gusty wind between now and late this evening when those things finally diminish and that cold front pushes east and out of here. So there you can see that initial batch of rain and then the scattered development that I was talking about. It'll get going later on this afternoon. Beyond that, we've got a lot of low cloud cover hanging in, and this is going to have a huge impact on the forecast tomorrow. Not active weather. I mean, there could be isolated showers to go along with those low clouds, but just the dreariness of it. Overcast and chilly. With high pressure ridging in, it's just behind this banner in the northwest to eventually northeasterly wind. It is just going to stay really, really chilly for Saturday. Notice this is getting into Sunday morning, that cloud cover still lingering. We'll finally break that cloud cover late in the weekend, and yes, it will get better, but it's going to be a rough couple of days to start out. There are a lot of folks on Twitter not too happy about this forecast. 60s and 70s, that 67 rain cooled. We came down a few degrees once the rain started. And we'll be in the 70s for highs today. But what's interesting about tomorrow's high, 58 degrees. Remember, earlier this week we hit an 88-degree high. We missed 90 by 2 degrees, and now we're barely going to make it up to around 60, probably stay in the 50s. Our record low high, it's called a minimum high, a very cold high temperature, is 58, set back in 1992. And we may rival that because we're just not going to see temperatures rise much tomorrow. But by Sunday, we break the clouds, the temperature jumps into the upper 60s, and then we're back into the upper 70s. The other positive, I suppose, is the humidity drops. This is the dew point. Notice that drop Saturday and Sunday. Very dry, comfortable air. And then we start to get a little muggier next week as the shower and storm chances start to pop back up again. So showers, gusty thunder showers, we'll track them through the afternoon. Very low-end chance for severe weather, but we may have a few that produce some stronger wind gusts. Showers and storms wrap up overnight, and then tomorrow we just got that lingering cloud cover and that big chill for your Saturday. So pick day of the weekend really will be Memorial Day. If you have it off, you're going to be loving it. Upper 70s with sunshine. Showers and storms crank back up toward the middle of next week.
Yeah, people